Hello everyone. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel your Spotify Premium subscription on PSE. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to spotify.com. Make sure you're logged into your Spotify account. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Account. On the account page, scroll down and click on Manage Your Plan. If you have an active subscription, you will find the Cancel Premium option here. Click on it and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the cancellation. Once you've completed these steps, your Spotify Premium subscription will be canceled, and you'll switch back to the free plan at the end of your billing period. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching,